Yeah, I've never shot. I feel like this would make him more mad. There's a basketball right there, and there's the beehive, and then parts of the beehive, and then the stuff we do. Dude, they're like, where's our beehive? And they're starting to fly.
Part of it's still up there.
They're trying to scatter.
Like a tiny bit's still up there.
Should we still aim at it?
Like what is hanging on. That's where they're still going around.
So much for... Dude, I even said it. I was like, bingo. I hit it. That was perfect, though. I guess... Oh, shoot. Don't run into me.